Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping in to check out our video today. I would like to take a moment to welcome all of our SUV shoppers. We hope that you find this video is helpful in the search for your next SUV. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Armada Platinum. This beautiful SUV is a local trade with a Clean Carfax, and it has just 4,600 miles on it. Exterior features include tow package, running boards, alloy wheels, and moonroof. Now, as we take a look inside, we see that it has a gorgeous leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and second row heated seats as well, and it accommodates 8 passengers total. And as you see there, we have the dual DVD in-headrest entertainment. And now we're going to look up front. We see that it has a Bose Premium Audio System with a fantastic selection of convenience and electronics and safety features as well. Those features include SiriusXM radio, plus it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. There you see the 2 charging ports for the second row passengers, and it has push button start and remote start as well. Other features include blind spot monitoring as well as heated steering wheel for the winter days, and it has GPS navigation, and it has backup camera with the around view monitor 4-camera system. All you need to do now is give us a call. We'll set up a time for your test drive. The number is 615-224-8314. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.